Rearranging or transposing the formula P equals 2 pi in T to make T the subject. I'll highlight T. If we want T to be the subject, it means we want this formula rewritten as T equals the rest. So it means we need to remove everybody around T. Everybody on the right hand side, which is the focus here. On the left hand side there is no T, so we don't need to worry about it. So now let's analyze what the operations are around T. There is no plus, there is no minus, so we need to assume that in between all these letters and numbers here we have invisible multiplication. So we know that the inverse of multiply is divide. So that's what we need to do here. To cancel those gray multiplication, we need to divide the right hand side by those terms. So let's write that down here. The inverse of multiply is divide. So we divide both sides because we want to keep the balance. What do we want to eliminate from the right hand side? The 2, the pi, and the n. And I can do it all at the same time because they are doing exactly the same thing. They are multiplying. So divide both sides by 2 times pi times n. You notice I don't write the times because we know as a convention there is no need to write the multiplication symbol when we are writing letters and numbers next to each other. So what happens on the right hand side? 2 divided by 2, 1, cancels out. Pi divided by pi, 1. N divided by n, 1. And all those ones, 1 times 1 times 1 times t, still gives us t. Equals, you see I'm writing back to front, but it doesn't matter. It's important to keep the subject where it is until we finish the exercise. P over 2 pi n. T has been transposed. If you want now, you can write it left to right. T equals the same P divided by 2 pi n.